Did you know that some of the world's most luxurious and sought-after wool comes from the highlands of Peru? It's true! Nestled in the breathtaking Andes Mountains, these highlands are home to a unique and fascinating animal, the alpaca. These gentle creatures have been a part of Peruvian culture for thousands of years, and their wool is nothing short of extraordinary. We're talking about alpaca wool, a fiber so soft and warm, it's often called the fiber of the gods. This wool is not only incredibly soft to the touch, but also possesses remarkable insulating properties, making it perfect for both cold and warm climates. Alpaca wool is hypoallergenic, which means it's suitable for people with sensitive skin. It's no wonder that this fiber has been cherished by civilizations for centuries. And guess what? Raising alpacas in Peru isn't just a tradition, it's a booming business. The demand for alpaca wool has been steadily increasing worldwide, and Peruvian farmers are at the forefront of this growing industry. These farmers have perfected the art of alpaca husbandry, ensuring that their animals are healthy and well cared for. This, in turn, results in the highest quality wool that is sought after by fashion designers and textile manufacturers around the globe. Imagine a life surrounded by these gentle creatures, producing a product that's both profitable and sustainable. Alpaca farming is not only a source of income, but also a way of life for many Peruvian families. The sustainable practices employed by these farmers ensure that the environment is protected and the welfare of the alpacas is prioritized. This harmonious relationship between humans and animals is a testament to the deep respect and care that the Peruvian people have for their natural resources. Let's explore why alpaca farming in Peru is a golden opportunity waiting to be discovered. From the stunning landscapes of the Andes to the rich cultural heritage of the Peruvian people, alpaca farming offers a unique and rewarding experience. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone looking for a new adventure, the world of alpaca farming in Peru is full of potential and promise. So join us as we delve into the fascinating world of alpacas and discover the magic of the golden fleece of the Andes. For centuries, the people of the Andes have lived in harmony with alpacas. These animals are more than just livestock, they are an integral part of Peruvian culture and history. The Incas, renowned for their sophisticated textile skills, prized alpaca wool above all else. They wove it into luxurious garments reserved for royalty and nobility. Today, that legacy continues, with alpaca farming being a cornerstone of the Peruvian economy, especially in rural communities. What makes alpaca wool so special? Firstly, it's incredibly soft, seriously soft. When you run your fingers through it, you can immediately feel the difference. It's almost like touching a cloud. This softness is due to the unique structure of the alpaca fiber, which is smoother and finer than sheep's wool. Imagine the feeling of cashmere, but even more luxurious. That's alpaca wool. It's often compared to cashmere because of its silky texture, but many people find it even more delightful to the touch. The fibers are longer and less prickly, which means garments made from alpaca wool are not only softer, but also more durable. It's also incredibly warm, much warmer than sheep's wool, making it perfect for cozy sweaters, hats, and blankets. Alpaca wool has microscopic air pockets that provide excellent insulation, trapping body heat to keep you warm, even in the coldest conditions. This makes it an ideal choice for winter wear and outdoor activities. And because it's hypoallergenic and water resistant, it's a dream come true for people with sensitive skin or living in colder climates. Unlike sheep's wool, alpaca wool doesn't contain lanolin, which is a common allergen. This means it's less likely to cause irritation or allergic reactions. Plus, its natural water resistance helps keep you dry and comfortable in damp conditions. No wonder the global demand for alpaca wool is skyrocketing. As more people discover its incredible properties, the market for alpaca wool products continues to grow. From high-end fashion designers to everyday consumers, everyone is falling in love with this versatile and luxurious fiber. Whether you're looking for a stylish new sweater, a cozy blanket, or a warm hat, alpaca wool is the perfect choice. Its unique combination of softness, warmth, and hypoallergenic properties makes it a standout in the world of natural fibers. So next time you're shopping for winter wear, consider treating yourself to the unparalleled comfort and luxury of alpaca wool. Alpaca farming may sound exotic, but it's a surprisingly straightforward process. It all starts with raising healthy and happy alpacas. These gentle grazers thrive in the high-altitude pastures of the Andes. Once a year, the alpacas are carefully sheared, a process that's completely harmless and humane. The fleece is then sorted, cleaned, and processed into yarn, ready to be woven into luxurious garments or sold to textile manufacturers worldwide. In a world increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of our choices, alpaca farming shines as a beacon of sustainability. Alpacas are incredibly efficient grazers, having a minimal impact on the land compared to other livestock. Their soft, padded feet are gentle on the soil, preventing erosion. And their wool is 100% biodegradable and renewable, making it an eco-conscious choice for the fashion industry. Beyond the bottom line, the rewards of raising alpacas. Alpaca farming isn't just about profits, it's about embracing a lifestyle. Imagine waking up each morning to breathtaking views of the Andes, surrounded by these gentle, curious creatures. Alpaca farming offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature, work outdoors, and be part of a centuries-old tradition. Alpaca ambition. Can you herd your dreams outside Peru? While Peru remains the heartland of alpaca farming, the allure of these fluffy creatures is spreading worldwide. People are starting to recognize the potential of alpaca farming in other parts of the world with suitable climates. So if you're dreaming of a life filled with soft fleece and breathtaking scenery, alpaca farming might just be your calling. Reaping the rewards. Alpaca farming for profit and planet. Alpaca farming offers a unique blend of financial and environmental rewards. The global demand for alpaca wool continues to grow, ensuring a steady income stream for farmers. And with its low environmental impact and sustainable practices, alpaca farming aligns perfectly with the values of conscious consumers. It's a win-win situation for both the farmer and the planet. A future fleeced in gold. As we look towards a future where sustainability and ethical consumption are paramount, we find ourselves at a crossroads. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. In this quest for a more sustainable and ethical way of living, certain practices stand out as beacons of hope and innovation. Alpaca farming emerges as a shining example of a business that's both profitable and responsible. These gentle creatures, native to the Andean mountains, have been a part of Peruvian culture for centuries. Their wool, known for its softness and warmth, is highly sought after in the global market. But beyond the economic benefits, alpaca farming offers a model of how agriculture can be in harmony with nature. The lush landscapes of Peru provide the perfect backdrop for this harmonious relationship. Farmers work closely with their herds, ensuring that the alpacas are treated with care and respect. This ethical approach not only benefits the animals, but also the environment. Alpacas have a minimal impact on the land, making them an eco-friendly choice for sustainable farming. It's a testament to the fact that we can create a brighter future without compromising the beauty and resources of our planet. The dedication and hard work of these farmers are paving the way for a new era of agriculture, one that values sustainability and ethical practices above all else. Their efforts are not just about producing high-quality wool, they are about preserving a way of life and protecting the environment for future generations. So here's to the alpaca farmers of Peru and beyond, who are weaving a future fleeced in gold, both literally and figuratively. Their work is a shining example of how we can all contribute to a more sustainable and ethical world. By supporting these farmers and choosing alpaca wool products, we are not only investing in high-quality, eco-friendly goods, but also in a brighter, more sustainable future for all.